Hey everyone, this is Pip with BitTaxer, and in this tutorial we will be walking through importing your virtual currency transactions using the BitTaxer Guidance System. If you have any questions after watching this tutorial, please feel free to chat with us using the widgets on our webpage, in the BitTaxer app, or by sending us an email at help@bittaxer.com. The BitTaxer Guidance System was designed to make uploading your virtual currency transaction data as easy as possible. BitTaxer Guidance can be accessed two ways. When you first create your account, you will be prompted to walk through the guidance process after you select your user level. Also, at any point when logged in, you can access BitTaxer Guidance by clicking the Go to Guidance button on the user dashboard. Be sure to watch the user dashboard tutorial after this video for more information on how the user dashboard can be beneficial to you. When you first land in the BitTaxer Guidance System, the first page you see is the intro page. Go ahead and click the Get Started button, which will move you to the next page, which outlines the upload methods available for importing data into BitTaxer. We will get into these upload methods in just a second here. Clicking the button Go to Data Uploader will bring you to the BitTaxer Import Module page, where you're going to do most of your work here in the guidance system. When using the BitTaxer Import Module, you're given three methods to choose from for uploading your crypto transaction data. The exchange upload method allows you to upload transaction data directly from your exchange via API key or CSV upload. Simply select the exchange, then either enter your API key in secret or browse for and select the CSV file you would like to import and click the import button. You can select a single exchange per upload, but can use the exchange upload method as many times as needed until all exchange-related transaction data has been uploaded. The next option is the BitTaxer custom template. This allows you to enter your data from various exchanges onto a comma delimited file to be used for one mass import into BitTaxer. The third option allows you to manually add transactions line by line, where you define the date, coin, and quantity of that transaction, and BitTaxer will give you the up-to-the-minute price of the coin. Once you have uploaded all of your data, click the Go to Classify button, which allows you to specifically classify any sends and receives that BitTaxer couldn't automatically classify during the upload process. Classification types for sends and receives are seen on the right and are available based on variables like tax year. Once all transactions are classified, go ahead and click Save and Continue. And that's it. You've just uploaded your crypto transaction data into BitTaxer. As you can see from the congratulations page, you can go to your BitTaxer homepage, also known as the dashboard, to see a high-level view of your transaction data, or you can go to the reports page to create a report that best suits your filing needs. There will be tutorials coming soon on both the dashboard and the reports pages, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and don't forget, if you have any questions or comments, please reach out to us using the chat widgets on our webpage, in the BitTaxer app, or by sending us an email at help@bittaxer.com. Thanks again for watching, and thank you for choosing BitTaxer. Take care.